Hi everyone, let's just talk through the final, well not the final assessment, the second last assessment, the final part of the case study assessment for 024. Now this really carries on from assignment 1. You'll get more information about the case study released after you've submitted assignment 1. So what's important is you'll come to some tutorials. And in the tutorials, you're going to work with your team and you'll provide some brief feedback about what you would do in this scenario. So it's only about 10 minutes, but the idea is that people will give you feedback and you can integrate that into your social work report here. So it's a 2,500 word report and there is a template for that. So have a look at that template in your own time, and please make sure you follow it. Following instructions is really important in social work. And in some environments, you know, if you're not filling in forms and paperwork in the way that you should, there are some serious repercussions. Just know with the presentations that you won't be doing them for a full 2 weeks. It'll just be 1 week. So you'll be either coming in week 12 or 13 for most classes to do those presentations. The written report, 2,500 words, it does need to be evidence, so you do need citations through it. You can look at theories that you would use as well. So it's really the plan that you would use to work with this particular client or family. So I don't need hundreds of references, but you can be selective and use ones that are relevant because we need to show what your evidence base is for this report. There is a criteria sheet that you need to look at as well, so do that in your own time. It's quite a straightforward assignment, but it does require a lot of thinking and analysis. So you want to choose the right kind of approach for this particular person or family member. You don't want to go too rogue there. And as always, you need to be careful that you are living up to the values and ethics of social work in terms of the language that you're using, how you're referring to people. Are you being non-judgmental? All of those things we'll be looking for in your report as well. But as always, please come and talk to myself or the tutors if you have any questions. But I'm very confident that you'll be able to get through this assignment easily. Okay, thanks.